moving. And her brother helps her out. Baby jumps on. She's still going. Look at that little lady go. She's gonna make a full pull. Get down there. Oh, she's spinning out. Kylie, what do you think of your run? Were you happy with that? It was pretty good. Did your dad have it set up right for you?
Yep.
You just had to get it off the line good?
Yep.
You had some good wheel speed.
Yep.
Did you beat your brothers?
Yep.
That was a good run. So you think you're going to get the trophy?
Yes.
I think you will too.
I'm going to give away the trophy.
Good luck the rest of the season. Do you think you're going to win?
Yes.
You've got your tractor right behind you. I think you can win. We'll watch the next tractor. Joe's tractor? And you can beat that one, right? I think you can. Okay, Joe's, that's Joe's too, okay. Okay. And you can beat JD too?
Yep, JD's right
Yep.
there. And back here is the old one that's ours.
Yep.
And that means JD told it. Lucas.
That's Lucas's
And Joe.
and Joe's. He's got three of them. And you can beat them all, can't you?
Well, this one's actually ours.
Okay. Looking good. What do you think? Starting to spin. You think he's going to win, or you think you're going to win?
I think we're both going to win because that will help me and him have the trophy.
I think you guys will get a trophy.
Yes, me too. But Dad and Lucas, but that's just
Here he comes. Here he comes. How do you feel about your win?
Great.
That's a nice trophy you have. Do you think your brothers would give you much competition next time? They have a little bit to learn from you yet? Well, that's good. Was your dad a lot of help? He's probably one of the best crew chiefs around. Well, that's good.
Nice sponsors.
Yeah, thank your sponsors. Your dad, your number one sponsor? Well, that's good. I'm glad you thanked your sponsor. You're a good driver. Well, congratulations on your win, and good luck next time.